Okay, what's up, guys? I hope you guys had a really good week of trading. And I think right now we really have to talk about BTC and about every market available right now. Because listen, if you guys remember, I was bearish over here or in this area because I was looking for ABC. Then we did get the ABC, okay? And because right now, guys, I might change my mind, okay? Because at first we said we're gonna get the ABC, and then we're gonna aim for 75k, right? One more up, 75k. Okay, at least to go back above here. So we said, okay. So listen, okay, guys, listen. Right now, I am not bullish because I have to show you something. First, I know some people they're gonna say, oh, we did turn the EMA 50, EMA 20, or whatever. So we turn it bullish. We turn bullish here, right? So people aiming $75,000. Well, that's the 4-hour chart, right? We could have said the same thing over here, over here, but they always go back down below that, right? We could have say every time like we flip over here, then boom, we went back down. So that's something. If you guys have seen this, the EMA, forget about it, cause it's not important. Do not base yourself on that, on this indicator. Cause now listen, guys. Okay, at first I was bullish. I was looking for $75,000, but I might change my mind right now. Okay, guys, I might change my mind, and I might take a short. Okay, so listen. Let me take off this. Let me go now 1 hour chart. Over here. Listen, guys. If you guys know what it is over here, we have a rising wedge. If you guys know what's a rising wedge, right? Let me show you. Let's take off the EMA. Let me show you. We have a rising wedge over here. We got 5 waves. That's actually really good. We did get 5 waves. And listen, guys. Okay. From now, let me just make the count. Um, I might consider this as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, maybe not, but maybe one more up, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe one more up, right? So listen, for me, guys, this is the end of the entire movement, right? Don't forget we did bounce like 8k, so don't forget about this. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe one more up, right? Maybe one more up, and then we're going down. Okay. Listen, guys. From here, if you break this falling wedge, this rising wedge, if you break it, I might take this short. Okay, over here, take this short to aim all the way back here. Okay, at least to $62,000. But the reality is, we might not get the bounce that everyone's looking for. So maybe we make a 5 ways. All this is a 1. We're making a double bottom 2, 3, 4, 5 for a higher price action to $75,000. But listen, okay, we cannot forget about this. I have to show you something. So let's say, alright, we make a double bottom from here. You know, we go down, then we go back over at 60k, and then we make a bottom, right? So it does not matter. I did take this long over here, this area, right? And I took this entire movement, and now I did sell my position, okay? Because I do not trust this, and guys, I'm up a lot of money, and I do not want to lose my profits, okay? That is super important, bro. So listen, so now I'm out. I'm not doing anything for now. If we break this trend line, I might short. I might take this short. If I get this opportunity, I will short. But for now, I did sell over here at 66 something. Okay, guys, I just sold like a few hours ago, and I'm good. It's enough for me. I took my money and I ran away. Okay, guys, you cannot be greedy at this point. So maybe if you get a second wave, right, we make a double bottom here again. Yes, okay, maybe we can go to $75,000, but you guys have to forget. You guys cannot forget about the stock market and the DXY. So it's all together. It's all working all together. So listen, That's okay, guys. And guys, don't forget, okay, super important, guys. As long as we stay below here, right? That's the previous all-time high. So we did go back below here, and we're not able to stay above. If you guys can see it, we're not capable of staying above here, right? So that's why I ran out, because for me it's way too risky. It's really super sketchy, and I have to show you something. So if we base the same thing, guys, okay, if this era, if you go back all the way back to 2021, right, 2021, 2022, we might pay the same way as the 2021, 2021, the end of the bull run. So let's go check, guys. If you go back here, right, if you pay the same way, it's not exactly the same, but if actually we pay the same way as we did before over here, guys, it's super similar, guys, right? So listen, we did break that, but over here we had a rising wedge. It's not the same thing. We had a rising wedge, right? But if we do the same thing over here, we got all this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then that was the end of the bull market. So if you pay the same thing, we might not get the same way, but you guys can clearly see it. We had a bear flag here, and it's still possible to get $75,000. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's still possible, but you know, it's the chances are really low, to be honest. I don't think it's gonna happen. Maybe I think we need one more down to 60K, and if you actually hold it, okay, yeah, maybe we're going to 75K. But for right now, guys, I'm not in BTC anymore. Okay, I sold. I'm not in any trade right now, because for me that's really sketchy. Anyways, I'm looking for wave 2, right, to make a double bottom. If we get a double bottom, yes, I will get it back. Okay, I just took my money, I ran away, and it's enough for me. Okay, so listen, so if we play the same way, guys, okay, we have the same bounce here, right? We have the same bounce here. We fell to go back over again. We fell, right? We didn't go all the way back there, right? We just made a rising wedge, and then we had a bounce. The bounce, same thing. We had a bounce. Okay, we had the same thing here. We had a bounce. That's the bounce, the same bounce. Okay, let me delete everything, guys. So it's the same thing. That's the bounce we're getting, right? So if you pay the same way, if you actually pay the same way, guys, with the same bounce, you guys can see it, bro. You guys can see it. We went all the way down, right? We went all the way down here, and we did lose. How much did we lose? That's the question, right? So we lost 50%. So we lost 50%. So if you pay the same thing, if you actually does the same thing, or you guys will be able to hold this 50% down? That's the real question. If you guys are capable of take 50% down on BTC, you know, except to you, but I cannot, you know. So if you pay the same thing, we should have the same thing over here and go back to $30,000, right? And bounce it back, right? If you pay the same way. I know some people think we're going a lot higher from here. They're saying that all that's bullish, it's a bull flag, right? A bull flag to go higher. People aiming a big price like this, right? So 80K for one more up. But guys, don't forget we below the last ATH, right? As long we stay below here, there's a resistance, okay, guys? As long we stay below here, to be honest, guys, we staying below here to 69K. So I don't know. I cannot. The market does whatever what he wants to do. But if you guys lose 50%, guys, it's gonna teleport us to 30K, right? So if we pay the same thing, you guys can see we got 30K just in what? If we do the same thing, what, just into what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like not even a week, like a week, right? We lost 50% in a week. Will you guys be capable of losing 50%, lose all your profits, and then go into negative? And don't forget, you've been holding BTC for over a year, for 1 year plus, right? So don't forget about this. Will be really, it will be really sad, guys, really really sad. So that's why, guys, I'm not taking, I'm out for now. Okay, I might take a short, like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, but that's only the 1 hour time frame, guys. Okay, if you break this, if you break this, like I said, I will take it, right, for at least the minimum target over here, like $62,000, right, to possibly to $60,000, right? And if, let's say, BTC want to crash really hard, like what it did in 2021, I will be in the trade. I will be already in the trade. So anyway, guys, I will be making money. But you know, you guys should not invest right now, that's for sure. At least wait for a wave 2, right? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for a wave 2 to get back inside. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a wave 2. If you get the wave 2, alright, I might gain back again for $75,000. But the thing is, guys, so if you go see the stock market, okay, stock market, guys, has turned bearish. Okay, it's really important to understand that. This bounce is a bearish bounce. Okay, guys, do not be too bullish on this, because we did break this big rising wedge, kind of, right? We did break it. It's an ugly rising wedge, but we did break it. So for now, again, I'm aiming at least to 4.8, and the reason why I'm aiming this right now is because it's the last new all-time high. So I'm expecting a bounce, right? We might get a bounce, but reality is, guys, guys, don't forget, reality is we might just get the bounce, not even this high, right? Just a small bounce to over here, and then we get a small bounce like this, and then we crash. We go below here, and then we go all the way back down. Okay, so please, guys, do not make any dumb decision, because the same thing for this SP 500. What I'm looking for is the same thing over here to this, and maybe we can enter this bear market and go all the way back above. But if not, I'm gonna stay over here, guys. Okay, so the DXY, if we go to the DXY is gonna be the same thing. DXY, listen, guys, you can see we have a big bottom here. I'm aiming for at least this area to $114, right? If you get this, you know, BTC is gonna bleed really hard, and I'm still really bullish on the DXY. I don't care about what people think. I know some people are saying that, oh, it's gonna be a ABC, we're just gonna hit over here, and then we're gonna go all the way back down. But that's not what this is not what I'm looking for. This is not what I believe. So please be careful for the DXY. Same thing. I think the DXY is just gonna pump in the upcoming months. I mean, even years, maybe, you know. So be careful with this. And we see the altcoins, guys. Altcoins, like I told you, I'm looking for this area. Okay, will you capable to lose 30% plus, even more than that? Let's say over here, will you capable to lose 35% plus? That's the crypto market cap. So listen, if you guess 35%, could be like 70% down for you altcoins. Let's say links at $15 right now, can go all the way to like $7, right? So if you guys are capable of this, what I said last time, we did break this low, so we said we're just gonna look for a bounce. Okay, we're just gonna look for a bounce, and that's what we get in a resistance here, right? You can clearly see it. So I'm aiming, so I'm looking for the altcoins to make a double bomb, or right over here, or we just crash even more all the way back below here. So that's why I'm saying, guys, please be careful. Do not invest. I know so many altcoins looks like a good price and all this and that, but the reality is it is not. Okay, it is not. You think it is, but it's not. Okay, maybe if the price from right now plus down 50%, let's say links going to $7, yes, it's a good buy. Okay, but for now, for me, I think the altcoins are not a good price right now still, but I think they will be, but not now. So listen, from here, it's between we crash over here, okay, we crash, or we make a double bottom here, and we buy back for higher price action all the way back above here for higher price action. Okay, So that's it, guys. So please be careful. Please be super careful with this. And if you go to the Nasdaq, same thing. Okay, we had a rising wedge, same thing. Listen, guys. Okay, at least the bounce here is gonna be the same thing. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna look for at least to go back over here, and or maybe to mark a double top, go all the way back below here to $6,000. So guys, please be careful. Do not fall into the trap. I hope you guys are gonna make the good decision. I know we all want to make money, but guys, the reality is the most of the people, they don't make money. They're just gonna lose money because they overtrade, they do dumb stuff, and that's what happened, you know. So alright, thank you guys. I hope you guys have a really nice week, like I said, of trading, and I see you guys until next time. Peace.